Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ben, and this is Ben's family. Thank you guys for always stay tuned. Thank you for always finding your time, buying your data, consuming your money to come and watch my vlog, guys. I don't take it for granted, but I'm so grateful. So it has been long since I posted the last video, guys. I've been busy. But guys, I'm back with another banger. So guys, please continue supporting me. Continue finding time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So far we are moving with a good speed, I can say so. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always coming to my videos to watch and like and comment. And for those who have not subscribed, please do so. Become the Shabens family, and we shall move together at the same speed. So guys, it is around 9, so I decided to do a random video for you guys because you are my guy, you are my G. So I'm going to work, so I decided to do a small video, guys, to thank you for the support that you are continue showing my channel. Thank you so much. May Almighty God grant you more to your families, guys. So let's move to work together. Don't move that channel, guys. Let accompany me to work. So today I've decided to do a small video, guys, to thank you for the support. So let's get to work. So guys, as you know, I know you know this river. So today, it has been long since I passed here, this shortcut, guys, because it has been raining a lot. For the few weeks, it has been raining, a lot of rain. So I find it's difficult to cross this river, because when it rains, these rivers can drown you. So that is why you have not seen me doing any video at this place. I love this place because it's quiet. You can do your videos without any interruption. But when it rains, it becomes difficult, guys, to pass. So yesterday it didn't rain, so I decided to cross this river, guys. You see how it looks. So when it rains, guys, these rivers become so difficult to cross. So people normally cross here because this is the shortcut, guys. You can pass this place to go to town. So people find it easy and reliable, guys, to go to town center. But when it rains, people normally don't pass here. They use the main road. So this is my place. This is Narok County, home of Maasai land. This is the Maasai land, guys. You see how it looks? It looks green. I love this place, guys. This river. So let's go. Let's keep moving. So guys, it's time to go to work now. I hope wherever you are, it's morning, it's evening, it's night. It depends where you are watching me from. Thank you so much for the support, guys. And me, I will not let you down. As we started at the beginning of the year, that this is the year of work. And I see, guys, you are supporting me well. My channel is moving with a good speed. And here the birds, guys, are singing. Birds are singing their melodious songs. I think they are enjoying the climate. The place is so good, so nice, so green. And the Maasai people are so friendly, guys. I think if you have money to invest, this is the place to invest, guys. Because the Maasai are the best people you can find. They're so friendly, so nice to interact with them. So you find it easy to leave this place without no one disturbing your peace, guys. So this is the best place to invest for those who have a lot of money. Let's see this river. See the river, guys. See the river, see the river. When it rains, guys, this place, the water, you can't see this place. When it rains, guys, there a lot of water. Wow. Wow. That's that spring, guys. It look nice. It look very nice. It looks so much. Nah. Can you see it, guys, how it looks? So when it rains, guys, a lot of water passes here. So you cannot cross this road. Separate this side, the other side where we live. So when it rains, guys, here, oh, it's become a massacre. Let's move, guys. Sorry, I have some flu. And see the pigs, guys. See the small pigs. Wow, see how they are enjoying. Small pigs are enjoying the nature of narok. Wow, I love this place, guys. It's kind of some hills. See the stones, so guys. Wow, this place is so cute. So cute. Place where we always cross. You can see people washing cross. So this is the way to also we pass here. So this is the road that the river that separates the two areas. Wow. I hope you're enjoying the nature, guys. Because you are my G. So I have to show you around, guys. So that you can enjoy the place where we live and the home, the narok. You can see I'm sweating. The small hill that I've climbed, guys. It always give me hard time. But can you stop me from working hard, guys, for you, to bring you more videos, because you are my guy. And see this place, how it looks. So quiet, so friendly. It's a nice place to invest, guys. Invest your money here. the end of this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always stay tuned at this moment. I'm going to wrap this video at this moment. Thank you guys for the support. I love you so much. May Almighty God continue blessing you and your family for the good work that you are showing this kissy boy. Thank you so much. I love you with deep of my heart, guys. Thank you. We meet in another video. Bye bye. I love you guys.